Hey, Creations by Courtney here with a Tunisian crochet tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how to make the Bamboo Stitch 3 offset. It is such a fun stitch with lots of texture, so grab a solid color yarn with a straight hook or a Tunisian hook and let's get stitching. This is one video of two that we will be going over for an upcoming design that will be available July 9th at creationsbycourtney.com. But anyways, let's get to it. This is the lovely stitch. Let me bring it in close so you see all that amazing texture. So this is the offset, meaning that it shifts from row to row. And we're going to start with chain 10. For this stitch, it is a multiple. It's written as a multiple of 4 plus 4, but when you account for the edge stitches, 4 plus 2 works out better. So if you want to do more than 10, so your swatch is bigger than this, you could do 14. You could chain 14. You could chain 18 if you want it. Anyways, this is made in a bulky cotton acrylic 50/50, and I'm going to be using this chunky wool. I've already made a row of simple stitch. You do not have to do that, but it makes it easier to see the beginning of the pattern. Okay, so I'm going to slide that out of the way. So for the Bamboo Stitch 3 offset, it is a 2-row repeat. So we're going to start with the first row, and we're going to do the Bamboo Stitch 3. What that means is you're going to yarn over, insert your hook into the next vertical bar, right? We never work in this first one. You want this yarn over to be a little loose, and then we're going to Tunisian simple stitch in the next 2. So that's 3 Tunisian simple stitches. You take the yarn over and just slide it off the hook over the 3 bars. Okay, we're going to do it again. Just bear with me. Now, Tunisian simple stitch in the next vertical bar, just like that. This is your bamboo stitch right here. Okay, your Bamboo Stitch 3. So let's do it again. Yarn over, insert your hook into the next, and Tunisian simple stitch in the next 3 stitches. All right, take the yarn over, so that's the 4th loop from the end of the hook, and slide it off the hook, just like that. Tunisian simple stitch in the next one, and now end stitch. And with your end stitch, always remember you go under both loops, just like so. Yarn over, pull up a loop, and now we're going to yarn over, pull through 1 or a chain 1, and then yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2 to the end. So yes, it is a standard return pass. And there we have it. That is the first row of the Bamboo Stitch 3 offset. Now, for row 2, again, ignore this one. This is like the foundation row, okay? So for the second row, we're going Tunisian simple stitch in the first 2, just like so. Yarn over, and now we're starting our bamboo stitch. So Tunisian simple stitch in the next 3 stitches, just like this. Take that 4th loop from the end of the hook, slide it over 3 loops, just like that. That's what creates the bar. Tunisian simple stitch in the next stitch, and now Tunisian simple stitch in the next 2. Just like that, and end stitch. Now return pass. So chain 1, and then repeat, yarn over, pull through 2. And there we have it. So as you see, it shifts over just a little bit. All right, so let's repeat rows 1 and 2 together to make sure that you got the hang of it. So we're going to yarn over, and this is making the Bamboo Stitch 3. So you Tunisian simple stitch in 3 stitches, take the 4th loop, that's the yarn over, slide it off of the hook and over the 3 loops, just like that. Tunisian simple stitch in the next stitch. Now bamboo stitch 3, so that's the yarn over, Tunisian simple stitch in the next 3. Or you can think of it as 3 simple stitches. Pull the loop over the 3, Tunisian simple stitch in the next stitch, end stitch. And then return pass. So chain 1 and then yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2 to the end. All right, and now we see the bamboo stitch is back over here, and that's the offset. All right, so let's do the row 2 again. So we're going to start with Tunisian simple stitch in the first 2 stitches. Now bamboo stitch 3, yarn over and TSS, that's Tunisian simple stitch in the next 3. Pull the 4th loop, that yarn over 3 loops, simple stitch, and then you may want to bamboo stitch, but you're not because we're at the end. So simple stitch, Tunisian simple stitch, end stitch, return pass, and that's all there is to it. And you can do a bind off, or you can continue repeating row 1 and 2. And if you like pictures, make sure you head to the link in the description below to go get step-by-step picture tutorial. And there you have it. That is the bamboo stitch 3 offset. Just a 2-row repeat, and it creates this awesome texture. Now, if you haven't hit the like and subscribe button, make sure you do so you're notified of upcoming videos, tutorials, things like that, what's happening with Creations by Courtney, and I will see y'all somewhere on the internet or in person. Keep stitching.